To replace the 38-075 casement lock, you'll first need to unlock the window by flipping the lever up. Then remove the two screws which mount the lock to the window frame. The lock and keeper are sold without mounting hardware, so hold on to those original screws. If you lost them, you could potentially use our 33-016. Now install the new locks to the frame with the existing screws. Try the lock to make sure it operates properly. If you feel resistance, don't try to force it. If you need to replace the keeper, use the 38-089. It is also held in place with two screws mounted to the sash. Once again, you can use the existing screws or use our 33-011 screw. You may need to raise or lower the keeper location on the sash so the lock will operate smoothly. For all these parts and more, visit SWISCO.com.